Good morning. I'm Allie Peterson with USGBC, and I am here with Beth Heider of Skanska. Good morning, Beth. How are you today?
Good morning, Allie. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Happy
I'm really
Greenbuild.
Thank you. You too. We're really happy to be here at the Skanska booth. The booth looks beautiful. Very nice this year.
Thank you.
I'd like to ask you about the sustainability philosophy of Skanska. Can you tell me a little bit about how it informs your daily work and your long-term goals?
Well, the sustainability for Skanska isn't just a philosophy, it's actually a core value. It's baked into how we do work. We have core values that include care for life, which embraces not only green building, which we're really celebrating here at USGBC, but just as the LEED system has progressed to take a look at the social and economic dimensions of sustainability, that's part of our larger sustainability value.
USGBC is expanding our constellation of rating systems that we support, and I know you all are doing a lot of work around kind of broader district level, expanding your work to encompass some of those rating systems. Can you tell me about that?
Yes, I think the ARC is terrific because it's sort of a natural genius progression, and I have to really celebrate staff and Mahesh in particular for working with Scott Horst to see, that the arc of all of these tools ultimately bends towards sustainability. And the sustainability, as we see it, can't just fall within the drip line of the building. As you know, Skanska is not only a vertical construction company, we not only build buildings, but we also build infrastructure and we develop both. So the arc of products and certification schemes that can now be linked together through this platform are particularly advantageous for us because we are looking at the opportunity to solve at the district scale.
Tell me a little bit about what you've been doing in 2016. Is there one project or initiative you can point to that's particularly exciting for you?
Sure. The first, which we're really proud to celebrate since we're here in LA, is the completion of the Expo 2 line that runs from downtown LA and connects the city back to Santa Monica. There used to be a trolley car line back in the day that connected the city, and they paved over it, right, to make way for the automobile. Now the Expo 2 line seamlessly connects the city to Santa Monica, but we're really, really proud to say that Expo 2 achieved Envision Platinum certification. Envision is, in a way, like LEED for infrastructure. On the other side of our construction business, our building group has been working with USGBC to create a market insight tool that allows owners to understand where their project, as anticipated or conceived, sits within the green buildings of that project type in that region, looks at energy, water, waste performance, and then once they see where they stack up, once they know what their context is, they can decide whether or not they're comfortable there or they want to raise their game. Once they decide, hopefully, that they're going to want to raise their game, then again, plumbing the resources that we have access to through USGBC, we'll be able to see how other projects have achieved their goals, and we can share those with the project team. So it helps to get them focused, to focus their design and our construction efforts on those strategies that are most likely to raise the performance of their buildings. So we're really excited about that.
Yeah, so are we. That's amazing. Is there anything else coming up for 2017 we should know about right now?
2017 will hopefully see some Living Building Challenge projects well underway, one for Georgia Tech, which is really fabulous. I'm really excited about that. And also a project that is pursuing pedal certification under the Living Building Challenge and LEED Platinum, which is a renovation project in downtown Washington, D.C., not too far from USGBC headquarters. It's the American Geophysical Union headquarters, and they are looking to achieve energy positive on a retrofit of an existing building. And for me, the team is just really fabulous. Interface Engineering, Hickok Cole Architects, Skanska's the builder, and there are a bunch of other folks that are engaged in the job. But collectively, the project is not only going to be really high performance, but it is so beautiful. So they've actually been able to take an existing building and through this high performance transformation improve on what was originally a very beautiful design. So I'm really excited about that because I came through architecture school at the time in the 70s when green buildings were sort of the architectural equivalent of Birkenstock sandals. And now we've been able to prove that even in a retrofit that you can create something that is also beautiful and inspirational. Another project that has just been completed, and they're going to be presenting it here at Greenbuild, is the Brock Center, which is the Chesapeake Bay Foundation's Living Building Challenge and LEED Platinum certified project, which is also a really elegant, beautiful expression of green building, high performance building. So as an architect by training, I find that extremely inspirational.
So Beth, Greenbuild is a time for all of us to get together and enjoy the community we've built around green building. Tell us what you're most excited about at Greenbuild this year.
Well, I was excited about the announcement that Envision will be part of the ARC platform because we are city builders and because we've actually built Envision into our 2020 business plan as the metric that we're using to continue to raise our game when it comes to sustainability on the civil side. And of course, Greenbuild, it's my tribe. The fabulous USGBC staff, many colleagues that I collaborate with both inside Skanska and outside Skanska, the sort of incredible former board chairs and folks who are here. It's great to get together and see what they're doing because that inspires our work.
Well, wonderful, wonderful speaking with you today. Thank you for taking the time.
Thanks, Allie.